Welcome back to Upgrade My Kitchen. Today, we're diving into the powerful and versatile Fute pressurized handheld multi-surface natural steam cleaner. If you're looking for a chemical-free way to deep clean your home, this steam cleaner might be exactly what you need. Let's explore its features. This handheld steam cleaner packs a punch with 1050 watts of power and heats up in just 3 to 5 minutes, emitting pressurized steam at 230 for up to 8 to 12 minutes. It's designed for multi-surface cleaning, tackling everything from hard floors and grout to sofas, windows, and car interiors. With a chemical-free cleaning process, it ensures there are no harmful fumes or residues, making it safe for kids and pets. The lightweight and portable design allows for easy movement from room to room, while the 9.8 feet power cord provides flexibility to reach tricky spots. 12-piece accessory kit. The Fute steam cleaner comes with an exclusive 12-piece accessory kit, including 4 round brushes, a fabric cleaning tool, a glass cleaning accessory, and more, allowing you to customize your cleaning experience for different surfaces and tasks. The large 350 ml water tank means fewer interruptions for refilling, with a recommended fill of 280 ml for optimal use. The ergonomic handle and lightweight design reduce hand strain for longer cleaning sessions. Plus, the safety child cap adds an extra layer of protection for your family. Customers rave about its effective cleaning power and versatility, noting that it works well on a variety of surfaces. The chemical-free approach and ease of use make it a favorite for those looking for healthier cleaning solutions. To ensure optimal performance, twist the safety cap securely, but avoid over-tightening. If you encounter difficulty opening the cap after use, wait a few minutes for the steam to cool down before trying again. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to Upgrade My Kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.